Install 4 blanking panels to the bottom main cable entry using M4 self-tapping screws, bag number 6. Install the casters using the self-tapping screws M5, bag number 5. Install the leveling feet. Combine the horizontal, package 5.5, and vertical, package 1.5, frame parts into a single frame. Secure each connection with 2 M5 bolts, bag number 8. A hardware kit, plastic box and carton box, is located in package 4.5. Connect 2 main frames with the bottom part using M8 bolts, bag number 3. The vertical frame round holes should face inside and the rectangular square holes outside the rack. Ensure 2 brush cable entries match the rectangular vented holes at the bottom. Place the top of the rack on the frames and connect them using M8 bolts, bag number 3. Install the intermediate, supporting, horizontal beam on both sides using the M6 bolts, bag number 1. Insert 4 rubber pins per each supporting beam. The pins must be inserted in the holes at both sides of the beam. Make sure that the round part of the pin is located at the outer beam side. Secure the aluminum side panel stoppers using M4 self-tapping screws, bag number 6. Put the rubber pins in the center hole of each stopper. 4 rubber pins required for 18U, 22U and 27U racks. 8 rubber pins required for 32U, 37U and 42U racks. Installation of the horizontal beams. 4 horizontal beams are required for 18U, 22U and 27U racks. 6 horizontal beams are required for 32U, 37U and 42U racks. Insert the horizontal beam brackets into rectangular cuts in the both frames on the same height. Secure the horizontal beams with M5 bolts, bag number 8. The U-mark rails must be installed on horizontal beams. For easy mounting, each beam contains 3 pre-installed M6 cage nuts. Install the shelf and fix it with either M6 nuts, bolts, bag number 2 and number 1, or M6 cage nuts, bolts, bag number 4. Install the side panel locks. A metal latch must be installed after the lock installation. Install the front, rear door locking mechanism. Verify correct position of metal latch, horizontal, closed, by locking, unlocking the handle mechanism with a key. Install the plastic bushings in the pre-cut holes in both top and bottom. Please note that thick bushing must be installed in the bottom part. Take the front door with both hands and place the lower hinge into the thick bushing installed at the previous step. Pull down the metal spring hinge in the upper corner of the door. Carefully set the door in place and release the hinge. Repeat the procedure and install the rear door. The door can be additionally lifted by placing 1 to 3 metal washers, bag number 7, between the thick, lower, bushing and the door itself. The rack is ready.